Placing text along an arc can be difficult and time-consuming. This process has been made a lot easier thanks to the new CurvedText command. To use the command, select CurvedText from the Annotate tab. Next, select the arc where you'd like to place text. Enter your text. And specify attributes such as justification, height, and arc. And click OK when done. Your text will now flow along the selected arc. To learn more about DraftSight and how to get a free 30-day trial of DraftSight Professional, visit DraftSight.com/professional.